Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the best appliance for having a small kitchen, the Foodie Ninja. What is the best thing, you might ask? Is that it flips. Yes, that's right, it flips up. So it doesn't always take up the entire space of your kitchen. You flip it up, and then you have your counter space. This is optimal space when having a small kitchen. You want to have all the cool appliances, and now you can because of the Ninja Foodie that flips. So many different settings on it. Like maybe you just want to reheat something, maybe you want to toast some bread or bagels, or you want to use it as an air fryer. It has so many different features on it, so many new things to try. I'm so excited. There's so many recipes I haven't even tried yet, but it works super well. It's really easy to use. It has a knob. It shows you what settings you are clicking on with the blue light, and then it shows you exactly how long it's going to take, and the time includes even the preheat. And so you just put everything in, you have your timer, it's ready to go, it turns off when it's done, and then it also lets you know when it's safe to lift up because it is going to remain hot for a little while, so be careful about touching it and things like that. There's so many things, appliances that we all want in our kitchen, but having a small kitchen, you don't have a lot of space and you have limited options. The Foodie Ninja Flip solves all your problems. It gives you everything you want, including your counter space. Make sure you get one of these for all of your baking needs, and that's my point of view.